Hi, this is Austin. Today I'm going to be discussing a few news stories and how they relate to the search for life in the universe. The first news story is entitled, Did Phosphorus Trigger Complex Evolution and Blue Skies? The source is www.phys.org.com. During the Proterozoic period, between 2.5 and 2 billion years ago, the level of oxygen on Earth rose by 10%. Dominic Papineau of the Carnegie Institute of Sciences suggests that this change was the result of large quantities of phosphorus entering the ocean. Increased phosphorus in the ocean would have triggered large algae blooms. When algae blooms occur over a long period of time, they actually increase the amount of oxygen in the ocean. Algae blooms that are the result of fertilizer runoff deplete the amount of oxygen because they grow too quickly. After the levels of oxygen in the ocean rose, algae and other single-celled organisms acquired mitochondria, which burn oxygen in order to create energy. A second rise in oxygen from 1 billion to 540 million years ago resulted in the Cambrian explosion, a massive increase in the diversity of fossilized organisms. This information strongly suggests that multicellular organisms evolved on Earth due to the availability of oxygen. Taken at face value, this is rather disheartening news for the search for life on other planets. It is possible that without phosphorus or oxygen, multicellular life cannot exist. Fortunately, recently discovered species have demonstrated that multicellular life here on Earth can exist without oxygen, so it is probable that it could be true elsewhere. This is important for the study of life on other planets because, as I've mentioned previously, the best candidates for life in our solar system are the moons Titan and Europa. Titan has a methane atmosphere as well as liquid methane oceans, and Europa is completely locked in ice. The second story is entitled Study, Meteorites Point to Our Solar System as Source of Organic Materials. This is also from www.phys.org.com. Scientists studying micrometeorites in Antarctica have determined that they could have provided Earth with organic materials. The meteorites are thought to have originated in our solar system and impacted Earth, delivering organic material. The samples were taken from Antarctica, where the snow is made of pure water, so there's no chance that they were contaminated. This has interesting ramifications for the search for life on other planets. One theory about how organic material arrived on Earth is that it was delivered by impacts from meteorites that originated in deep space. The implications of such a theory are that other planets beyond our solar system could have been provided with organic materials via the same mechanism. If, however, the organic materials originated within our solar system, we may be a special case. The good news, however, is that other planets and moons in our solar system should also have been impacted by these meteorites, meaning that it is likely that they were provided with the raw materials to create life, further supporting the hypothesis that we will find alien life on Titan or Europa. My third and final article is entitled NASA, Asteroids may have brought water to Earth. This is from www.computerworld.com. Data compiled over 6 years of observing an asteroid known as 24 Themis has shown that it contains water, ice, and organic materials. It is possible that asteroids could have provided all of the water to make Earth's oceans. This theory helps explain why Earth, a hot, rocky planet, has so much liquid water on its surface. Perhaps a nearby asteroid belt will be a prerequisite for Earth-like planets, or possibly the water was on Earth when it was formed. This theory is interesting, and asteroids could potentially be used as a source of pure water for space exploration. In addition, this theory also kind of goes along with the theory about the meteorites, in that the asteroids, in addition to delivering water, could have delivered the organic materials necessary to start life on Earth.